As an actor, getting feedback on your auditions is important, but when that feedback contradicts how you thought you did, that can lead to feelings of insecurity, discouragement, sadness, overwhelm, and stress, which is exactly the emotions that I experienced when my talent agent gave me feedback on my audition. It's important to understand your feelings and labeling your emotions so you can understand how to process them. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to help me process my emotions, and I'll also share my own insights. I got feedback from my talent agent about one of my acting demo reels, and it wasn't the feedback that I expected. And I was told that it was basically overacted and that I should take it down. What really caught me off guard about her comment was that my friend, who's an actor, looked at that clip initially and he said he liked it. He said I did a great job. So I was kind of expecting my agent to not say that it was overacted. So that was what caught me off guard. But I respect her feedback. She took the time to give me the feedback. She's been in the industry. She's the expert. I'm not the one that books the people. So I don't know what casting directors want. And it's definitely something I can work on, but like it's a sensitive subject for me because I feel like I have a good natural ability to act, but I do need proper formal training and I haven't had any. So it's sensitive for me to kind of get feedback about my training because I'm like, oh, well, I don't have any like training to back up this talent that I think I have. So let's see what ChatGPT says. I basically explained that I felt insecure, discouraged, sad, and overwhelmed and stressed. How does me saying this help me better understand and address them? Ignore the not part. That was a typo. So ChatGPT says acknowledging and verbalizing your emotions as you've done is indeed an important first step in understanding and addressing them. By identifying and expressing your feelings of insecurity, discouragement, sadness, overwhelm, and stress, you've taken a crucial step towards processing these emotions. Now that you've recognized these emotions, the next step is to delve deeper into each one to understand its root cause and how it's impacting you. Insecurity. Explore why the feedback from your talent agent triggered feelings of insecurity. Are these underlying beliefs or fears about your abilities as an actor or content creator that are contributing to these feelings? I mean, the insecurity definitely comes from not being a classically trained actor. So for me to feel like I can act, I feel like I'm not validated in that having that talent. And that's where my insecurity comes from. Discouragement. Reflect on why you feel discouraged. Is it because you had high expectations for the audition clip and the feedback feels like a setback? Are there specific aspects of the feedback that are particularly disheartening? To be honest, I was hoping she would say it was good, but I didn't get that feedback, and that was part of the reason why I felt that way. Number 3, sadness. Consider why you're feeling sad. Is it because you're disappointed in yourself or worried about the implications of feedback for your career? Are there other stressors or challenges in your own life contributing to your sadness? I felt sad because I thought, like, maybe I'm not fit to be in this industry. Maybe I'm what I thought I felt about myself with my abilities is wrong. And that made me sad because I was like really proud of my beginner abilities to act. Number 4, overwhelm. Explore what's causing you to feel overwhelmed. Is it the feedback itself, or is it the pressure you're putting on yourself to excel in your career? Are there specific tasks or responsibilities that are contributing to your overwhelm? I felt overwhelmed because a part of me was like, why am I even trying to pursue this if like I don't have the time to take proper acting lessons? And like Eventually, maybe one day I want to take acting lessons, but I can't right now. So then, like, why am I wasting my time? And that was why I felt overwhelmed. Number 5, stress. Reflect on the sources of your stress. Is it primarily related to the feedback and its implications, or are there other factors contributing to your stress levels? Are there coping mechanisms or strategies you can employ to manage your stress more effectively? The stress really came from me just kind of thinking that, like, why am I pursuing this if I'm not properly trained and I don't have time to get properly trained right now? So that was where the stress came from. The next part in the self-reflection with ChatGPT is for me to answer one of the questions and to ask ChatGPT to explain to me why I actually felt that way. So basically, I said I felt insecure because I don't have any formal training. The initial thought I had that I had natural talent helped me with my confidence for acting, but when I heard the feedback that was opposite, it shattered what I thought was true, and that was hard. So ChatGPT tells me, "Thank you for sharing your thoughts. It's understandable that receiving feedback contradicting your initial beliefs can be jarring and lead to feelings of insecurity. It sounds like your friend's positive feedback initially bolstered your confidence, especially considering your lack of formal training in acting. When feedback from your talent agent contradicts this, it challenges the narrative you've built about your abilities. This dissonance between what you believed about your talent and what you've been told can be difficult to process. It's important to remember that feedback, even if it's critical, doesn't necessarily negate your natural talent or potential. Instead, it offers an opportunity for growth and improvement. While formal training can be beneficial, many successful actors and content creators have developed their skills through a combination of natural talent, practice, and constructive feedback. Moving forward, try to approach this feedback as a learning opportunity rather than a reflection of your self-worth or potential. Consider seeking out additional feedback from a variety of sources, such as acting coaches or peers, to gain a more comprehensive understanding of your strengths and areas for improvement. Remember, growth involves facing challenges and setbacks, but it's how we respond to them that ultimately shapes our journey. Keep an open mind, stay resilient, and continue pursuing your passion for acting and content creation. With dedication and perseverance, you can overcome feelings of insecurity and continue to thrive in your craft. And while I agree that understanding your feelings is important, it's equally important to understand how to manage your negative thoughts. If you've ever gotten feedback as an actor and started to think things like you suck and you didn't know how to manage those feelings, you'll want to watch my next video where I show you how to manage your negative thoughts.